AutoDS versus Zendrop versus CJ Dropshipping, full comparison for beginners. Hey dropshippers, if you're choosing a platform to launch your first dropshipping store, you've probably come across AutoDS, Zendrop, and CJ Dropshipping. Today, we'll compare them head to head across setup, automation, shipping, pricing, brandability, and user support, revealing which platform is truly the best fit for beginners. And so, first things first, let's start with the basics. Let's talk about the overview for this platform. First, AutoDS. It is a versatile automation tool that links to multiple suppliers like AliExpress, Walmart, Etsy, etc. The key features include AI-powered product research, dynamic price and stock monitoring, and bulk automation and multi-store support. Now, Zendrop specializes in dropshipping across US suppliers with tools like one-click imports, automated fulfillment, custom branding, and a beginner-friendly academy. And lastly, we have CJ Dropshipping. It is a full-service supplier platform offering global warehousing, print-on-demand, private labeling, and product photography. It's great for custom branding and wide catalog access. Now, with the automation and ease of use. But before we proceed even further, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, with automation, AutoDS offers powerful automation like order price checks, inventory sync, plus store-wide AI research. Now, another automation tool that I love about AutoDS is that it automatically syncs with your supplier. So if a supplier changed the pricing, it will then go ahead and notify you about that price change, and if the pricer is short on stock, it will then go ahead and pause your import here on AutoDS. Now, Zendrop provides simplified automation for Shopify, but it doesn't match AutoDS full fulfillment automation. CJ Dropshipping automate orders directly from suppliers and supports tracking, but lacks sophisticated store automation. Now, we then have this product sourcing and catalog. AutoDS has access to hundreds of millions of products from multiple marketplaces. Once again, these marketplaces include AliExpress, Temu, Amazon, eBay, and more, as you can see right here. Zendrop focused on curated US-China suppliers with branded options and beginner-friendly catalog, while CJ Dropshipping offers global sourcing including private label, POD, and local warehouses. Now, let's then navigate through the shipping and fulfillment. AutoDS relies on the supplier like AliExpress. Shipping times can go ahead and vary widely for different suppliers out there. Now, Zendrop boasts 2 to 5 days shipping in the US and 6 to 15 days in the EU. CJ Dropshipping offers 3 to 7 day local shipping and 7 to 17 day China shipping and has global warehouse. Now, with the pricing and fees. AutoDS pricing ranges from $19.90 to $69.90 a month per marketplace with a free trial. Zendrop has a free plan plus Pro and Plus tiers from $50 to $80 a month. And lastly, CJ Dropshipping offers a free basic option with paid tiers from $16 to $60 a month. Now, we then have the branding and differentiation. Basically, AutoDS focuses on automation, not branding options. AutoDS handles everything automated, and it doesn't have much branding options. Zendrop includes custom packaging, private label, branded invoices, and coaching, while CJ supports private label, product photography, and global branding. Of course, let's then navigate through the support and resources for all of the platforms. AutoDS offers 24/7 chat support and educational materials, Zendrop Academy, and live coaching support, beginner, plus a US-based support. So basically, in my opinion, Zendrop Academy wins big here. And lastly, CJ Dropshipping provides round-the-clock support, but some users report delayed responses. Now, of course, we also have to talk about some user feedback and reliability. AutoDS is praised for saving time, but flagged for hidden fees and tracking issues. Zendrop receives mixed reviews on shipping and stock accuracy. Some report delays. And lastly, CJ Dropshipping is valued for product variety, though they are slow for shipping and inventory issues that are common. And so, let's talk about the summary for all of the platforms. For automation, on AutoDS, it is a full stored-wide automation. For Zendrop, it's partial automation. For CJ, it's supplier automation. For shipping speed, on AutoDS, it can vary depending on your supplier. Now, for Zendrop, it's going to be around 2 to 5 days for US and 6 to 15 for Europe. On CJ, it's going to be 3 to 7 local and 7 to 17 on China. For pricing, on DS automation, it's going to be around $19 to $70 a month. For Zendrop, it's going to be free and $80 a month. And for CJ, it's going to be free or $60 a month. Now for AutoDS, the branding support is minimal. For Zendrop, it's going to be basic branding. And for CJ, it's going to be private label support. And so, AutoDS is best for multi-platform sellers and automation first. Zendrop is US-focused beginners and for building your brand. And lastly, CJ is best for global seller seekers that are onto customization. And so what are the final key takeaways? You want to choose AutoDS if you want full automation and multi-channel support and know how to manage supplier variability. You want to choose Zendrop if you're launching a small US Shopify store, want faster shipping and easy branding. And lastly, you want to choose CJ Dropshipping if you aim for a global reach, want private labeling, and don't mind managing inventory issues. And so, that's everything you need to know about this beginner comparison. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.